Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 3, this is about the constant, so you got 0. First derivative of e to the power of negative s, we have negative e to the power of negative s ds. And we know that this one, that is about 1 over e to the power of s. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so we need to put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by u ds over e to the power of s, we change by negative du. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.